be talking about business units, the meaning and the objectives of businesses. So what is business or what is a business unit? It can be defined as a business organization which involves investment and risk with the possibility of success or failure, then with the main objective of providing goods and services to satisfy human wants. Every business organization that comes together has a general aim, which is to make profits and to satisfy human wants. Then we go to the objectives of businesses. Why do people set up business? Why do people go into business? The first one is for economic objective, that is for profit earning. People go into businesses to earn, to make profits. Then for creation of customers, also for utilization of resources that we have around us, resources on land, resources in water and so on, and then to increase productivity. We also have the second reason why people set up businesses. The second reason is for social objective. When we say social objective, we're referring to the aim of providing goods and services. Also, the aim of employing skilled and unskilled labor, and also for community service, to satisfy community and to also develop the community in which we find ourselves. So under this heading, we have two objectives of businesses. Why people set up business, that's the economic objective and the social objective. In our next video, we'll be talking about the forms of business units. Thank you.